Hello students, welcome to the computer class. We are studying chapter number 2, that is Introduction to OpenOffice Calc part 2. In previous class we have understood topics like what is spreadsheet, components of OpenOffice for Calc, workbook and worksheet, rows and columns, entering data in a worksheet, formatting cells and cell formats. Now today, in this video, we will learn the calculation part. Students, calc helps us to quickly perform calculations with the help of predefined formulas. Yes, we need not to do anything. All the formulas already written, already available in calc software. The predefined formulas are called as the functions. Remember one thing, a function always starts with the is equals to sign, followed by the function name and the range of cells or values are specified inside the brackets. Now, these are the some functions like sum, average, min, max. Sum function, it is used to add the numeric values. Average function is used to find out the average of values. Min function, it is used to find the lowest value within the selected cells range, and the max function, it is used to find the highest value within the selected cell range. Student, now let us learn these one by one practically. First, let us perform sum operation. Sum function, it is used to find out or to add the numbers, the range of numbers. Here, I already have a table here. I need to find out the total. Now the total column you see here, we have values as a 150, 200, 220, 480 and 900. And here in this cell, I need to find out the total cost or the total. The range from D3 to D7. Now how to find out it? In a D8 cell, I'll write the formula. First, you should press is equals to button because formula always starts with the is equals to button. Is equals to sum, sum, open round bracket. Now put the value, that the range 150, that is D3 to D7, the semicolon D7. Now close the round bracket and press enter. Now this gives me the total. Now let's see one more time with the different values. It's in a B13 cell, I'll write 33. In a C13, I'll write 45. In a D13, I'll give value as 54. Now, let me add these numbers by using the sum function. Say for example, I'll write the sum function here in E13. So the formula equals to sum, open bracket, the first value, that is 33, is in B13. So let us write B13, and the last cell, that is D13. Close the bracket and press enter. So here I have the answer. You can see the formula in formula bar also. Now let us see average function. Average function, it is used to find the average of values. Now here I have a table, student name, math subject marks and science subject marks. Now let us find the average of two subjects. The formula is equals to average, open bracket, or the first value 95, it is in B3, write the cell address B3 to 86, that is sign subject marks, that is in C3. Close the bracket and press enter. Here I have the average value. Now let us try one more time. In the fourth row, D4, right, equals to average, open curly bracket, value 67, it is in B4, so write B4 up to, that is 93, it is in C4. Press enter. Now we have a value here. Now since we have the same formula, let us copy it. So how to copy the formula? Click on the previous cell. Here you have an autofill option. The point which you see here, just drag this. It will copy the formula to the next cells. This is very easy, isn't it? Now let's see the next function, that is min function. Min function, it is used to find out the minimum value or the least value in the list or in the given range. Now again, here I have a table ready, that is items, quantity, price per piece, total also have. Now I need to find out the least expensive item in this list. From this total column, I need to find out the least expensive item. Now let's find out. Write the formula, equals to min, open round bracket, and take the range now. The range is from D3 to D7, that is 150, 200, 220, 480, 900. These are the value. Let's take the range, that is D3 to 900, that is D7. Now let's close the round bracket and press enter. Now the 150 value is the least in this list. Let's see next one, max function. Now max function does the vice versa of min, means it will find out the maximum value in the given range. Now again I have the same table. Now from the total column, I need to find out the maximum value. We'll write the formula, equals to max, open round bracket. Now take the range. Now range same, that is D3 to 900, that is D7. Now press enter button. Here we have the value, the answer as 900. Student, let us do the activity from our textbook. Page number 26. From a textbook, page number 26. So here the table already have created. Now let's perform the task. This is the worksheet containing marks of students. Now let's find out the total. Now to find out the total, I'll use the sum function. So the sum function is equals to sum, open bracket. Now here I have a English subject, math subject, science subject, social studies. 4 subjects I have. Now let's add this row. Now 46, 38, 38 and 28. 46, it is in C3 cell. So write C3 to social studies, that is F3. Click on F3. So we have a total range here, 4 cells. Press enter. So we got the total of roll number first student. Now for the second student, follow the same method, equals to sum, open round bracket. Now take the range, that is 45, 29, 27 and 20. That is C4. C4 to F4. Now this is the range. Now press enter. Again, for the rest of the students, we'll copy the formula. So click on the previous cell, hold the autofill option and drag it. It will copy the formula to the next cells. Kids, you can find the formula in formula bar. The next one is finding out the percentage. Now let's find out the percentage. To find out the percentage, we use the formula. Here we are not using any predefined formula. We'll write equals to total divided by 200. I'm sorry. Yes, 200 into 100. Now take enter button. Here we have a percentage as a 75. Now let's try it one more time for the next row. Equals to total, that is 121. It is in G4 divided by 200 because each subject has the 50 marks and multiplied by 100. This is how we find out the percentage. Now we have a value. Now for the rest of the rows, we will copy the formula, click on the previous cell and drag the autofill option. Autofill option is this point. See, if you place the cursor over that point, the cursor will change its into a plus mark. Now drag this. So here we have a percentage also. Let us perform one more operation. Page number 27. In your textbook, page number 27, we have one more assignment. Now let us perform this. Here they have given 3 columns: subject, exam 1, exam 2. Now let's see. First one. The first question is, set the font size of all the rows and columns heading to 14. Now we will select the headings of a column and rows, and we need to make the size as a 14. So the size 14, in a property box we can alter the size in a font size, so make it 14. Yes. Now next, second one, set all the row and column heading to bold. So let's click on the bold, that is B, which is available in the property box. Click on a B. Done. Now the third one, align the content of worksheet to the center of both horizontally as well as vertically. Now select the table completely and click on the alignment. Alignment should be done center for both horizontally as well as vertically. Yes. Now the fourth one, save the file with the name marks. Here I have already saved this file. Let us save it one more time. File. This time I am saving it with the save as option. Save as marks and click save button. Yes, I have saved the file in the name of marks. You can see the title or the title bar. Now next question, using the appropriate function, write the formula to find out the following. First one, highest marks scored in exam number 1. Students, in exam 1, in the given range, we need to find out the maximum marks. Let's find out. Here in below range, I will write the formula. First I will write the title, highest marks. Yes, here we'll write the formula equals to find out the highest value, we need to use max function. Open round bracket. Now take the range. Range is from B3 to B8. B3 to B8. Now click enter. So 90 is the maximum. Second one, lowest marks scored in exam 2. In exam 2 column, we need to find out the lowest value. Now let's write the title first. Lowest marks. Now the formula equals to find out the minimum value, we use the min function, min, round bracket. The range is C3 to C8. Close the round bracket and press enter button. 70 is the minimum value. Now third question. Insert a new row total and calculate the total number of marks scored in exam 1 and exam 2. Okay. After the row number 8, we need to insert new row to have the total row. So what I'll do, we click on the cell 8, right click and say insert. What to be inserted? A row to be inserted. So click on a row and press OK button. So we have a new row. We need little bit changes here. So click on 9, insert. So we have a new row. So we need to find out the new, that is give a title as a total. Now, to find the total, I'm using the sum function. So write equals to sum, open round bracket. Now take the range, that is B3 to B8 and press enter button. We have a total value or the total marks of the exam 1. Now the same formula we will write once again in exam 2. So write equals to sum round bracket 80, the value 80 is in C3 up to the value 80 again, that is C8. Press enter button. So we got the exam 2 total value also. Now the fourth question, insert a new column average and calculate the average marks scored in each subject. Now let us insert, we need not to insert anything because we already have a empty columns. So let us write the title average. Now here we need to find out the average value for each subject. So the formula is equals to average, open round bracket. Now the average of our two subjects, that is 70 and 80. Semicolon 80. Now press enter. This is the average value. 75 is the average value. Now let us type one more time for the next row. Equals to average round bracket 65, that is B4, 78, that is C4. Press enter. So the next rows are the same formula. So let us copy the formula here. Click on the previous cell and hold the autofill option and drag it. The formula will be copied. Kids, we have performed all the operations. This is for this class and we will continue in the next class. Thank you.